Huh. You're not going to believe this, but it's raining still. Everybody, I would rather be home shoveling snow than ride another day in the rain. I'm not sure if like the rain gods are trying to break me, but it's getting old. It's getting real old.
This gear won't replace my GoPro, but it's built into the bike, it's always powered, it's always running. So it will give me videos that I wouldn't normally get at times when I'm not expecting to shoot, because it's always filming. You'll always have footage to use.